Alrighty friends, Mark of TechFinas here, and I'm with Mr. Marvin Lim of eHome, and with him is the 6-in-1 RavPower FileHub WD02. So this one sells for only 2,700 pesos, and it's already 6 devices in one. So go ahead, Marvin, introduce to us this great device which gives great value for money.
This is the RavPower FileHub WD02. It's not your regular power bank. As Mark said, it has a lot of uses. For one, aside from being a charger, it also serves as a USB storage device. Number two, it's a card reader.
Okay, so the first is that it's a power bank. It's a power bank. It's a 6,000 mAh power bank, so that's quite hefty, you know. So siguro it can charge the iPhone 6 at least twice. So this is a really good power bank. And then you have the second functionality, which is
sorry, going back, this USB storage device.
Okay.
It can you can plug a USB hard drive.
Yeah, like this one. Yeah, like a flash disk.
Up to 2 terabytes.
Up to 2 terabytes.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
and from there you can already access it on your computer or over Wi-Fi or wired.
yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So next one is it's a card reader.
Okay.
Up
So
to
this one is for micro SD card, diba?
Yes.
Okay.
Up to 128 gigs.
Okay.
And okay, so that's function number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
So next, it serves as a wireless router.
Wireless router. So this one is, for example, if you're in a hotel that you don't want to pay for the Wi-Fi, but you have a LAN cable in your room, and you can turn this into a router, and you have your own, you have your own Wi-Fi connection in your room.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, the most interesting part here is it also serves as a wireless repeater or extender.
Wireless extender. Okay, so what's it about, Mar? Ako, I personally know it na, but for our users, ano siya?
Okay. It basically extends the range of your Wi-Fi. Let's say you
live in a really big house.
Yeah. There's a small corner there that you like to sit down but the Wi-Fi signal isn't so good. So you place this somewhere in between, and you just turn it on, and it extends or repeats the signal.
Okay. And also works, for example, if you're in an office, as medyo mahina yung Wi-Fi na sa cubicle mo, then you can also use this.
Yes. Last but not the least, it serves as a wireless NAS. So it's basically it's
a file viewer, file server,
yes.
which you can actually access your files via Wi-Fi.
Yes.
And an application for both iOS and Android, right?
Yes.
So can you give us a demo of that?
Sure. One thing to note,
Yes.
is you can also access it via your Windows PC or your Windows Phone.
Okay, so not just Android and iOS, so also for Windows and Windows Phone. Okay.
Okay, so I just pressed it for 3 seconds.
Okay, so we're giving a demo of it as a NAS file viewer.
Okay,
File
so
server.
You have to wait for the blue light to be steady.
So that will show you that it's already in Wi-Fi mode.
Yes. Okay. Once it's steady, you can connect to it via Wi-Fi.
Okay, so can you show us here, Marvs? So it's already you can already access it via Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So there you go. That's it. You just connect to it. Oh, also you can actually set this up, right? Like you can add a password to it.
Yes. Okay. But for convenience sake, we just the password is just blank.
Okay. So
Until you set it.
Yeah, just for our setup here. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you go to your application.
Yeah. My favorite so far is the BS player.
But this you can use a number of applications out there, diba, for this, as long as it supports.
Yes. Samba protocol, or
Okay.
DLNA, which is
DLNA.
standard.
Okay.
Okay. So. Okay.
So there you go. So this one is what's on the USB, on the mic, on the USB flash drive, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, we're going to view that.
So it's going to stream via Wi-Fi.
I saw via. Oh, that's great. And you can already start watching it over Wi-Fi. So what's the range, Marvin?
Sorry.
What's the range? Like, how far can you go while watching it? 10 meters? Mga ganun ba siya?
Probably it's just a personal device, so I wouldn't really be very far away from it.
Okay, so around.
One thing to remember is that as you go farther, the signal degrades. So the bit rate would be slower.
Okay, so basically it's ang dami niyong use, all for just 2,700 pesos. So Marvin, I want to ask you, what kind of user do you think would be would this device be ideal for? I mean, what kind of user would really appreciate a device like this?
In my opinion, mostly travelers, road warriors.
Yeah.
You know, those who seldom go home, or probably
Those
they
who
go
really
home once.
you who love siguro going out of town, then checking in the really fine hotels and all that, diba? So parang this one can work as a power bank while you're on the road. This can work as a router when you're already in the hotel, and this one can you can watch movies using it while you're on the plane or in the bus, diba? So it's really for the road warrior, I guess. And like what I said, it's very convenient kasi you get all that in just one device, di ba, Marvin? Okay. Ako personally already have it, and I highly recommend it. So I also love traveling, so this one is ideal for me. Okay, and Marvin, where can they get this? It's available both online and via your brick and mortar store, right? So
Yes.
can you tell us more about where Pinoy consumers can get this product?
Just drop by at our store, or you can go to www.ehome.com.ph.
eHome.com.ph. And you can purchase it online there. Then you can use the TechPinas code to get a discount. Okay? Alright. And your store, you have a store sa Green Hills, di ba, Marvin?
Yes.
Saan to banda? Saan to medyo malapit?
Malapit to sa Santolan Station, MRT.
Santolan Station.
Yeah, walking distance along Annapolis Street. About 10 minutes if you walk slow, 5 minutes if you're fast.
Just look for the logo, di ba? eHome.
Yeah.
eHome, and it's there. And Marv's, di ba, this model is just the first of the many RavPower devices that are coming. But right now you have two, di ba? You have two devices. But the other one is a really big power bank with flashlight and also a display. It's very affordable as well. We'll do that in another video. But this one, it's a wonderful device. I recommend it again. And TV friends, that's it for now. But we'll have more videos in the coming weeks. TV friends, that's Mr. Marvin Lim of eHome. And that's the RavPower FileHub WD02. Okay, wonderful device.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.